First of all, let's address the elephant in the room. Everybody nowadays is talking about this foundation or like must have lipstick or this new serum we got. But guess what? Consumers are tuning out. So how do you like market in these kind of in this kind of like market? So you don't talk about beauty at all. That's how you do it. Instead, focus on lifestyle aspirations and values of your consumers. So, talking about these scenarios opens a door for like new kind of environment. Like for example, if you're like creating this tutorial about this perfect eyeliner, just talk about like self-love and like acceptance. This will like really make you stand out. Consider the success of the brand like Dove. They shifted the conversation from their beauty and products to like self-love and acceptance. For example, their like campaign, which was Real Beauty Sketches, it was like celebrating women of like all shapes and sizes. This like at the end of the day, when you see it that like campaign, it didn't really focused on any product. At the end, it just gave them a good and strong brand image. Another example is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Their content just did not focus on single product. At the end, it was just weeks we're accepting women of all colors, and everybody like seemed valued after the campaign. So at the end, no products launched, just way more strengthened brand image for them. Now you might be wondering like, what if I'm not showcasing my products? How will people know what I'm like offering at the end of the day? And it's a pretty legitimate question. So what you can do is, for example, your like product focuses on eco-friendly sustainability life, right? So you can like showcase that lifestyle and then integrate your product smartly into that lifestyle, that if that makes sense. However, there's like a pitfall, of course. Don't just be unauthentic, because like people can judge unauthenticity from like a mile away. So if your like brand is being unauthentic, or they will like just move away from your products. So try to like focus the main values that your like product offers. Just try to be as authentic as possible, because at the end of the day, this is what builds loyalty for your like customers. Now let's talk about social media. Now social media, Instagram, Facebook, these are all your like uh playgrounds. This is like your best friends. Now instead of focusing on like traditional social media posts, what you can do is post a story that like gives the background of a product. Now this in my opinion is like way more authentic than like on traditional social media posts. For example, host like live sessions about like mental health or accepting all body shapes. Now what it does is make your brand seem way more authentic, now in a way that because like this way you can like reach way more broader audience, because like people care about it much, and like seeing you as a supporter of that, they will in the end be loyal to you, if that makes sense. But here's the kicker: this strategy is pretty powerful, but it's not one size fit all solutions. So this kind of approach requires a deep understanding of your audience. So just see the analytics of your like social media posts, or like in general if you have a physical location, and like focus on the things that your like audience care about. This is how you can like focus way more on like the the approach that like people want than the the actual product. It's like the one way to build the loyal audience, but it could be really uh, bad for your brand. Now let's focus on the potential downside. by not focusing on a product prominently, you like risk that people will just not buy your product. So you have to like be like really smart that you have to like promote the lifestyle that you're promoting, and but like smartly, not like you're not like pressuring your product into that lifestyle. Just like smartly like integrate that product into that lifestyle. Your like advertisements should be like focused on like this kind of things. In conclusion, building a beauty brand without talking about beauty is about shifting the focus from the product to people. This approach not only differentiates your brands but also fosters a loyal community that sees your brand more than just like a product provider. So, are you ready to revolutionize your beauty brand content strategy? Um, in the world of like beauty talk, one of the most impactful things you can do is talk about anything but beauty. And I read this quote a while ago and like really hit me at that time. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to work with a marketing agency for your like cosmetic brand, we specialize in that. So there will be a form in the description and you can go and fill it out, and we will see if we can help you, or we will do our best uh, to like plug you with somebody who really can. Anyway, this will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in another video.